Welcome back to Bone Smoke and Sizzle. Today we will be making a medium hot Italian sausage. It's a coarse cut sausage and it's a really nice sausage. For the meat, we need pork trimmings, 80-20, so 80% lean and 20% fat. And we use 1 kilo of meat per kilo sausage. From the herbs and spices, we need 18 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 2 grams of ground cayenne pepper per kilo. We need 1 gram of ground caraway. We need 1 gram of ground coriander per kilo. We need 1 gram of ground caraway seeds per kilo. We need 3 gram of crushed fennel seeds per kilo. And we need 2 gram of crystal sugar per kilo. The other thing we need is 90 grams or 90 ml of ice water per kilo. So those are the ingredients we need. The next thing what we need to do is we need to set up the grinder with the 10 ml blade. I've set up the grinder with the 10 ml blade, and what we're gonna do is now is we're gonna grind the pork meat through this blade. So that's it, the meat is done. Let's start mixing. So the first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the herbs and spices, so the salt, the pepper, the paprika, the fennel, and so on. And this last the sugar. We give this one here now a quick mix. We don't put any water yet. We just want to mix in the herbs and spices a little bit. Alright, that's it. And now we add the water. And now we need to give it a good mix. It needs to be binding. That will take a minute or two. Slowly it's getting there. All the water is absorbed. Okay, this is ready now. Let's have a look what she looks like. As you can see, it's a nice coarse cut. She's binding. Very nice. I'll put this in the filler now and we start filling the sausages. Let's get this into the filler. Push it down. We don't want any air in there, or at least try to avoid it as much as possible because it's not a vacuum filler. That's it. Let's start filling. First thing we need to get the casing out. And we find the opening, put 2 fingers in it, scoop up some water and pull it up. See, it goes on very, very easy. That's what you want. Now we make a knot in it. And let's start filling. Before we start, we make the casing a bit wet, a bit of water on top of it, and let's fill. Fill it semi-firm. So that's it, they're done. Cut the casings, make a knot in it. Let's start twisting. When we start twisting, we twist them around 12, 14 centimeters. Like I said many times, the size is up to you. Usually hold, squeeze and turn, right? Can you see that? Always measure them, hold them, squeeze, turn. Measure, hold, squeeze, turn. Let's have a look what they look like. You can see they have a nice cut. Very good looking sausage. As you can see, the Italian, as this is the medium hot Italian sausage, is very easy to make. It's a coarse cut sausage and has a great flavor in there. It should rest for a day, like usually when you make a fresh sausage, usually let them rest for 1 day and then they enhance their flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up, like the video, share the video, tell others and subscribe to my channel please. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Till the next time, have fun, make sausages. Bye bye.